Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Who was sent as messenger to Persian king? Your options are option A, Abdullah ibn Hudhayfa radiyallahu anhu, or option B, Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option A, Abdullah bin Hudhayfa radiyallahu anhu. Did the Persian king accepted Islam when Prophet ﷺ sent him the message? Your options are option A, yes, or option B, no. The right answer is option B, no. Who was sent as a messenger to Rome king? Your options are option A, Ali radiyallahu anhu, or option B, Dihya al-Kalbi radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option B, Dihya al-Kalbi radiyallahu anhu. Who was the king of Rome when Prophet ﷺ sent the message of Islam? Your options are option A, Najashi, or option B, Hercules. The right answer is option B, Hercules. Who was look-alike of Jibreel alayhi salam? Your options are option A, Umar radiyallahu anhu, or option B, Dihya al-Kalbi radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option B, Dihya al-Kalbi radiyallahu anhu. How many ayats are there in Surah Yasin? Your options are option A, 77, or option B, 83. The right answer is option B, 83. How many ayats are there in Surah As-Saffat? Your options are option A, 182, or option B, 193. The right answer is option A, 182. How many ayats are there in Surah Sad? Your options are option A, 88, or option B, 73. The right answer is option A, 88. How many ayats are there in Surah Az-Zumar? Your options are option A, 59, or option B, 75. The right answer is option B, 75. How many ayats are there in Surah Ghafir? Your options are option A, 45 or option B, 85. The right answer is option B, 85.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.